All right, today is Friday, September 2, 2022, and my Labor Day weekend project is going to be remove what's the other half of this big hickory that's in the area blocking my ingress and egress from the backyard, or side yard, however you want to look at it. I got to finish fixing this over here. I'll be bringing in more gravel. I'm putting up a second one of these Harbor Freight tents connected to this one, which will go all the way back there to the end of that 4x4. So I got to level this all out. Hopefully sometime next week or the beginning of the following week. So today I'm going to take this tree down, which is going to do this carefully. I'm walking on rocks, so bear with me if it's shaky. I cut this other piece way before the building went in. Now I gotta drop this guy. I'm gonna have the saw all the way up shoulder level, and I'm gonna try to drop it over there. So I gotta cut it just right, and hopefully it'll fall. And then I'm gonna come back in here, clean these rocks all out, trim it as close to the ground as possible, get out the stump grinder, and get rid of that stump so I can make this level in here. So it's going to be a fun weekend. Alright, more to come. Hopefully I live through this. That's another shag bark hickory. They call them shag bark. See the bark just hanging off? Alright, more to come. I think she's going. Semi hung in the trees, but it's heavy. She's coming down. Whew. I don't know if you can hear it popping. She's going strand by strand. Scary stuff. It's moving. It's going to snap when it goes. Appears to be hung. I've seen these, there she goes, I've seen these kick right off of that stump. They'll come back and take you out. There ain't much holding it. There we go. Come on, fall, baby. That's not good. Ah, shit. Oh, I'm gonna have to go get my strap. Give it a tug with it. Let me get this off telephoto. My back. Give that a little tug with the tractor. There ain't much holding that. You don't want that falling on you. Look at this humongous stump I gotta get rid of. Alright, let me go get the tractor on a strap. Go down the end and tow it away from the tree, and hopefully it'll hit the ground. More to come. Labor Day adventure here at the homestead. Okay, exactly 1 hour into it. About 14 different cuts and almost as many tugs with the tractor. Cut it all into numerous segments. I experienced no slapping from tree limbs, and thankfully got this on the ground without hurting anything, including myself. And now it's 1 hour of hard work. Now I've got to go inside, jump in the shower, and put on some dry clothes. It's actually way too hot to be doing this. Alright, more to come. That's a big relief. Got to get this cut up all the way, and then come out here and start cutting this huge tree stump up, clean out the stone, get rid of the stump, but that's over 3 days, so Not going to get a heart attack over it. All right, more to come. Okay, here's a little update on my tree removal. I got some more hickory out here. It's been raining non-stop. Today's actually Labor Day, Monday. And I was just taking a breather in the house from ripping this stump. Trying to clean these stones out from around it so I can get the stump grinder out. So that's roughly 26 inches, 29 that way. And just ripped it 33 inches down. Now that will enable me to take the saw and cut that around as low as I can get it. Then get the stump grinder out. And I get all this mess back here to clean up. And then I can level this area out so the double canvas garage structure can go up here and I'll have 34 feet of storage. Alright, more to come. I gotta go get... Okay, it's about 3 o'clock. Got it cut down. It's time to grind her up with the stump grinder. The mission is to finish this today so I can come in here with the tractor and clean this area up and set up my other tent. Alright, be back when I'm done. I'm about running out of energy. More to come. Okay, 20 minutes later, pile of sawdust and the stump is gone. That stump grinder is the bomb. I've done about 40 stumps with that. That was well worth the money. Okay, that's it. My Labor Day project on Labor Day is concluded. Hope everybody's having a good one. I'm going. Time for the rain locker. Over and out. Okay, today is Thursday the 8th. And this is the conclusion of the Labor Day tree and stump removal video I did in preparation of another one of these Harbor Freight canvas tent deals. Carports, garages, whatever you want to call them, going in sometime this coming week. I got the 4x4s down. There'll be another one over here. I got to level out and grade out this area. And then it'll be one big open tunnel, 34 feet deep. So I finally got done. That concludes part 1.